as we take a stand against bullying. So I'm going to share with you today a few poses that are going to get you into your feet so we can stand up to bullying, to share our strength and our power to create a more peaceful green wave. So we're going to start with our heart. Start in mountain pose. Breathe here. You can also rub your hands together. Feel your sunshine. Feel your peace. Bring your hands to your heart as you are rooted in kindness. Breathe in. Breathe out. Notice your heart. Notice your breath. And right now, sending out all kind thoughts and positive power to create this unity within our community. And then on our next breath, we're gonna stomp on bullying. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna reach your arms out. You're gonna do opposite. So you're gonna take your right elbow to your left knee and then your left elbow to your right knee. So it's gonna look like this as you breathe in, breathe out. As we stomp on bullying. So move like you, breathe like you. This crisscrosses the midline of our brain, strengthens that memory, strengthens our focus as we stomp on bullying together as one green wave. As we breathe in, breathe out. Stomp it out. Get rooted in your toes. Awesome job. And then we'll come back to center. Shake it all out. Let it all go. From here, you're going to have your feet nice and wide. Breathe in. Reach those arms up to the sky. Breathe it out. Shining star pose. Turn your toes in one direction. Warrior two as you breathe in. Breathe out, getting strong in your feet, rooted in kindness. Tip it back, peaceful warrior. Come back to center, warrior two. Flying warrior, reach those arms up. Take it to the other side, warrior two. Tip it back, peaceful warrior. Come back to center, shining star pose. From here, we're gonna come back to our mountain pose. Come back to your feet, standing up to bullying as we're gonna fly into warrior three. So once again, reach those arms out wide. You're gonna lift one leg back as you breathe in and breathe out, getting strong in your body, strong in your mind as we come together today to take a stand against bullying. Take it back to your mountain pose. Let's try that on our other side. This also boosts our brain power. Reach those arms out wide. Let your other leg lift as you take flight. Where can we come together to create more peace? Just by one step at a time, one breath at a time, as we stand up to bullying. Come back to center. Reach those arms into the sky. Breathe it out. Bring your hands back through to center. Create some sunshine, create some heat. Bring your hands to your heart as we repeat the metta meditation for kindness and peace. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. Breathe in, reach your arms up to the sky as we come together as one green wave in our unity to stand up against bullying. Breathe it all out. Go green wave. Namaste. Oh no, did it do it?